Alright guys, today's the first pack opening, and it's going to be this one. It's going to be opened on Jace because I want to get Jace. So, let's do this. Looks like I got a holographic. Alright, I got a Calcite Snapper, Pilgrims Eye, Quagh Vampires, Gnarlid Pack, Bull Rush, Feral Contest, Guarded Zendikon, Halimar Excavator, Brink of Disaster. Uncommons are Caustic Crawler, Vapor Snare, Permafrost Trap, Omnath, Locus of Mana. Oh man, my friend Wool's gonna want this card for sure. Damn. And the holographics, Apex Hawks. And I got a cool forest and a plant token. Not bad, not bad. Pretty cool forest. This card's $5. That's already $5 right there. So I already saved myself some money. That's pretty sexy. That's beast. I'm gonna sell that to him for sure. So yeah, I did pretty well in the first pack. Decent cards for the commons, pretty good uncommons, and yeah, thanks for watching, and hope they'll get Jace next pack.